Hello, and what the heck is up, my Atlanteans? Thank you for coming back to my channel, and thank you for clicking on this video. So for today's video, we're gonna be opening something very exciting. Y'all, I know, like they've been out for so long, but listen you guys, I'm actually really excited about this particular girly. Obviously this is fantastic fashion Amaya. We won't talk about how cheesy the names are for some of these lines in Rainbow High, but this was honestly one of my most favorite outfits from the whole line. I have my Skylar in the corner here. She's watching over me while I open up her friend. So this Amaya I got from EB Games. I got her on my birthday for myself. Usually for them they're about $60. I think $59 is the actual price of it or something like that, and that is exactly what I paid. I paid $53.99 because thankfully I have a membership with them. Usually the dolls at EB Games are a lot cheaper than like Toys R Us and Walmart, so I was just really surprised that they were kind of the same price, but I get it, we're in a recession, whatever. So this is what her box looks like. Let me zoom in here. And the glare, but this is what the box looks like. Obviously we have the Rainbow High on the side here. Excuse the price there. Here we have the doll right in the middle, and we have all of her accessories. I love how they how the composition of the box is really cool. Like we have the doll on the one side and it looks like shelves on the other side, which is really cute. On one side we have absolutely nothing. On the other side it tells us she is fashion design focus. And we have a little sticker that says Project Rainbow. Love these little like chains and like different prints on the plastic. That's so pretty. And on the back here we have an illustration of every character that's in the series. Comment down below who is your favorite. At the bottom it says this semester's Project Rainbow fashion competition is original, innovative, and totally fabulous. And it's 100% true. These are obviously the outfits from the first season of the show, so if they feel a little dated, it's because they came out about 3 years ago. So that might be why, but that doesn't change the fact that they look absolutely gorgeous and the quality of these outfits look amazing. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open her up. Guys, let me show you this, because I never really show you guys my me actually unboxing my dolls anymore. I know I used to do that. Sorry, hold on. But it was just such a pain to edit. So I'm just gonna show you guys here. This is my new box cutter. Look at it. It's a little carrot. I'm gonna go ahead and open her up, okay? Okay, so I just unboxed the big part of the box. I'm just gonna show you everything as it came right out of the box. So first, this is what our dolly fully looks like without the glare, thank God. It's definitely the runway that is shown at the end of the first season, the runway that they all walk. Gorgeous, totally makes sense. We have a better look at the, does it say series? Yeah, just like series, Amaya Raine. And of course her color strip is rainbow. Next that came out is the compartment, is that the word? That has all of the accessories. You can see everything that's there. Super gorgeous. Love that we have a little bit of the fashion design process. You feel everything so nice. So nice. And the last thing to come flying out from the back of that accessory compartment, we have the bag of the original things. Of course we don't have anything for the second outfit. We don't have any hangers or anything. I'm gonna continue opening her. So I just got Amaya out of the box along with everything that she comes with. Let's talk about the usual basic things that every Rainbow High doll should be coming with. First, we have the usual Rainbow High doll stand. I fear that we're starting to lose doll stands again, so I am not going to be taking these for granted. Thank you, MJ, for including stands with your dolls. And of course we have the usual Rainbow High hairbrush or hair comb. This is more in the shape of a cone, isn't it? And she does come with a few fun little things. So first thing to note is the little, ooh, I wonder if I can First thing we could talk about is the tiny little stylus or pen that she comes with. There's a little loopy, so she could put her thumb through that and make it look like she's actually sketching in her little Rainbow High sketchbook. This is so pretty. It's holographic and it says a Rainbow High in gold. Even the little spiral binding coil thing is molded in. This one is not painted, unfortunately. That'd be really nice though. And of course you can open it up and we have all of these different versions of the final dress. So I just love the fact that that is what that they all come with these sketchbooks. They do come from a fine arts school, so it does make sense that they all come with their little sketchbooks. I love that. And I think that showing progress is important because it's like kind of showing kids that if you want to like create fashion, if you want to create like some type of art, there are drafts involved and that there's like a whole process to it. The little sketchbook is important for that type of play. I would have really appreciated this as a kid because here I am now, an art student, and I'm like, why isn't anything coming out right? It's because it's not supposed to yet. Let's get right into Amaya herself. Isn't she so stinking beautiful? I mean, obviously, I chose the face. This is the face I chose. And to me, she's kind of giving Kim Petras. We won't talk about the drama, but like, I think, like, Kim Petras is beautiful, let's be honest. But like, she is kind of giving like that type of vibe with her face. So the makeup is really simple. I kind of really appreciate it because her hair and dress is very exciting. She is the rainbow girly, but she has a little bit of a silver eyeshadow up on her eye. She has that dark black eyeliner and she has this like nude pink lip and it just makes her look so angelic in my opinion. So going up to down, her hair is meant to be in a super tight high ponytail, very Ariana Grande of her. Love that we have the original white haired Amaya hair back. So we have the peekaboo rainbow highlights and we also have the silver glitter in there as well. Oh, so the rainbow's like inside the ponytail, so it's like rooted deep into her hair. Because like even on the back here you can only see the glitter or the silver tinsel. Oh yeah, also it's tinsel, so if that's not something you're into, look out for that. She doesn't come with any earrings, unfortunately, despite coming with ear holes. Same situation with Skylar as well, so I just put in her original Skylar's earrings. Oh my god, let's talk about this dress, god damn it. Oh, also, of course, rooted lashes. So I don't know how many pieces this dress might be in, so we're gonna check right now. Because right now, it just looks like this ruffle overlay situation with a silver belt that is fabric and actually sewn together quite nice. I have to admit that. The ends of the ruffle are serged, so there would be no fraying. And look at this gorgeous skirt. We have a little white underskirt as well to like keep some modesty, but I love how like sheer but like really nice this material is. It flows really nicely, you can see that. I'm gonna see. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, guys. Okay, so the whole dress is actually one piece. So I'm gonna say that that's kind of lame. That would, like, this would have been a good opportunity for a 2-layer outfit, but that is fine. Interestingly, Amaya's underwear is white instead of rainbow. I think series 2 Amaya had, like rainbow underwear, I think. Here we have some silver jewelry. She has 2 silver bracelets. One of them seems to be like in a chain formation. 2 different styles of bracelets, and then another one on the other side with these white diamonds in them too. Oh, and yes, look at that manicure. It's iridescent white. Love, 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 love. And going down to her shoes, she has these silver platform, like, stiletto heel situation. They're not stiletto. But I just love how high they are and how beautiful they are. We have these little rainbow straps. And we have a silver clasp on the sides, like the outside parts. And they look like they're actually not painted, but they are molded on quite nice. Okay, so that is what Amaya looks like. So other things that when like taking her out, obviously the Rainbow High team has fixed the way that they package their dolls, so it's a lot easier to take out. The only thing I could say is that maybe there's a little bit of gel in her hair, like literally just a little bit. I don't even know what the purpose of that was, but like, I'm not yelling. I will obviously need to clean it and restyle, but yeah. So that is the base doll, and thankfully doesn't look like there's any color transfer on her body either. So that's really good to see, thank goodness. Okay, and of course, as all of you saw, this doll came with a second outfit. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her in her second outfit and we're gonna take a closer look at that. Okay, so this is what Amaya looks like in her second outfit. There are a few things I'm like kind of confused about, but let's take a look at the actual outfits first. Okay, so starting off with the dress, I can't even comprehend like how gorgeous this is, how high quality, and like how interesting this dress is. It's obviously a nod to like the original series 1 white-haired Amaya. It's a completely white pleather material, and she has these white pleather straps going all around the dress, and at the front we have all of these gold buckles. RH, Magic, Sparkle, Rainbow, and High. We have an R and an H, also in gold. I love the structure, like how it's made. It just feels so nice and high quality. And one of the cool things is that when I was dressing her, I noticed that she had a little sign, or a little, what's it called? Like a tiny little tag on the inside that says RH as well, so that just feels really cool. I'm gonna call this her fashion designer outfit. This is what her fashion designer outfit looks like. The Velcro feels really strong, so if like one of your issues is that the Velcro can get like weaker over time, this one feels really nice right now, so I don't think that should be an issue, at least for any time soon. And lastly, here is the purse that she comes with. Is that not just so cool? It feels really well made. I wonder if it oh yeah, it does. Okay, so it's like a plastic inside, that's why it feels so hard, but the outside is made out of this like faux alligator pleather material, also with rainbow stitching to match the dress. Like, that little detail is just so beautiful, and that's one of my favorite things about the first white-haired Amaya, was like the whole white outfit with the rainbow stitching. Like, that's so gorgeous to me. But look at all that little detail. Like, we have the gold bottom here, the gold buckle, the gold RH. Even the buckles at the top are made of plastic. Even these ones here. Just so much. And you can actually put something in here too. Like, that's so cool to me. I'm gonna put her pen in it. Alrighty, y'all, and that is pretty much this Amaya doll. Obviously, I love her and I'm obsessed with her. Fantastic Fashion is definitely one of the best lines to come out of Rainbow High. I think the character building should have been there since the beginning to really get us attached to these characters. They all have different personalities and different, like, art styles. So I think that, like, this would have been, like, a good opportunity for them to expand on it, build around those ideas. So I'm really happy about like even the cheer line. Winter Break was great. I just wish Fantastic Fashion had come out during series 1. I think that would have really like amped up the appreciation for it. I mean, regardless, they are amazing and I'm obviously super excited about it. Rainbow High doesn't seem to be going in a very exciting, happy route, unfortunately. It looks like we're going to be getting a change of pace. I don't know how we all think about that. Let me know how y'all think. I'm personally really sad about it. I mean, they started out as Slime Toys, and they're coming back as Slime Toys, so I don't think that there's much of a heaviness on my heart, if you know what that means. I just think the only thing that's like gonna kind of be sad is that Rainbow High as we knew it is gonna be changed. I think it's just the idea of change that makes me kind of sad. Rainbow High was one of the first dolls that I started like actually collecting. Monster High, LOL was next, and then it was Rainbow High, yes. So it's just weird that we're getting a reboot. Just like every single Monster High reboot that has come out, it's weird. And Rainbow High came out during COVID. So like, a lot of us may have grown attached to it from that trauma. And I know a lot of people are like gravitating more towards Monster High now that Monster High is back. So I understand like the change for Rainbow High, LOL, OMG. Wow, this is getting really emotional. I'm just like kind of sad about the change. I just really hope that we're still gonna be getting like such high quality dolls with stands, the usual accessories, hairbrushes, because those are things that a lot of us can take for granted. Okay, let's get back into it. Do I think she's worth $60? $60 is a lot, but this is a really high quality doll. I think she is worth $60. Obviously $60 is a lot. 60 Canadian dollars, okay? Calm down. 60 Canadian dollars is a lot, but I don't think it's that bad. Not for this particular doll. Like, everything she comes with is really high quality and well thought out. The hair quality is amazing. You know, it's that nice nylon. All of the outfit pieces are well constructed. I think the only thing that I might be disappointed with the outfit is the fact that this is all one piece. But still, it feels really nice and really high quality, so I'm not even that pissy about it. Alright, y'all, so that is everything for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you think about Amaya. Let me know who your favorite Fantastic Fashions doll is. Hit me up in the links in my description. Thank you again for watching this video and staying on my channel. And subscribing to my channel if you want to. And I'll see y'all on the flip side.